This is the end of my work, but the beginning for you. Please stick around till almost the end. You'll know when it's time for Gnome-Ville. Nope, sorry. I've been on the patio for a while and had a few drinks. Drone's view over Gnome-Ville, the movie. I hope you enjoy. I've said this a few times, but really, seriously, this video is worth sticking around for. Here I have included a few pictures of the process of Gnome-Ville. Just a couple of the very beginning and as we went to get us to today. I used popsicle sticks, a wooden bead, and a penny to make this what I was thinking at the time would be the top of a hut for Gnome-Ville. The plan changes, and you'll see that later in the video. I used E6000 to attach it to the canvas. I used a wood bead and some greenery stems to make trees. Using just a dab of hot glue, I attached my new trees to the canvas. I have a couple of birdhouses that I am going to paint for Gnome-Ville, but I won't be using the back side. I'm going to paint them and put little doors and windows on them. Got all of the houses painted, and I have started drawing doors and windows. Went ahead and did this one so I could get an idea of how it'll look. And now I'm going to draw some lines on the roof and give this some shingles. I had already started to paint other houses blue for my winter wonderland at Christmas time. Are you all ready for Drone's view over Gnome-Ville? I am formally ending Gnome-Ville series with a psychedelic walk around Gnome-Ville. Don't forget to take the pill. One day I was flying my drone out at my buddy's house, just looking for treasure, looking for maybe some deer antlers or maybe an old car I could go out and explore, maybe a junk pile, you know, an old farmhouse's junk pile. Just spending a great day outside looking at stuff overhead. When out of the freaking middle of nowhere, I see this. What? What in the world is this place? Oh my goodness, look at the flowers. Oh man, I have got to check this out. Wow. As I am walking up, I look over and see a sign that says, "You must take the pill to enter?" Really? I ain't about taking no pills. No, no, no. Pills are bad. Oh, wait. This is YouTube. I'm having a drink on the patio. I'll take that pill. Bring it on. You shouldn't be afraid of a virtual pill either. Go ahead. It's not real, right? Dude. This place is so psychedelic. Dang. I wonder what's going on out here. What are all these sweet little houses doing in the middle of nowhere? Holy moly, check that out. This place is freaking my eyeballs out. It's a gnome cafe. I wonder if they have caramel moo lattes. The colors, they're so intense. Everything is bright and shiny and sparkly and very pretty until you leave. It's only sensational and beautiful and charming and idyllic when you're there. Now that it's time to leave, what will you be taking away from this video? What kind of pill was that? Hey, thanks for watching. Do that like, subscribe thing, thumbs up, do all that for me, please. Thanks.